Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins, where I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I have a special box. I just received the January 2020 GlossyBox. This honestly is a surprise to me because I did not know I was going to be getting this box. So I figured, hey, I got it, why not open it? I just received it. I had just finished filming another video and I figured, hey, let me open it up and let's see what I got, because again, this is a very surprise. I had only GlossyBox had reached out to me to work with them for the month of December. I didn't realize this is going to be an ongoing thing, so this is very, very cool. So let's open up my box and see what I got, because again, I don't know, I didn't even look at sneak peeks or anything. Yeah, in case you guys don't know, GlossyBox is a $21 a month subscription. I will double check because again, I didn't verify and I already forgot. I do have a discount code for like 22% off that's valid until March. So I will put it right here because I forgot what it was, but I want to say it's Perky Perkins. So anyways, let's open it. It has a very nice packaging. They have the little tearaway box, right, the little tearaway area right here. Nicely secured. And it's inside another box. So the first thing I got was the $100 wine voucher, which I won't use. And the box came in another box. This is actually their classic pink box. Again, I'm so excited, like I was not expecting this. So this is so pretty. Like, you gotta give it up to them for their presentation. They always do such nice packaging. And this is what it looks like inside. This month actually came with the pamphlet. Have a reason for the season. Glossies, don't forget to snag yourself one of the GlossyBox 2019 advent calendars. So it's just promoting their advent calendar. Ooh. And it shows me all the items we're getting in this month's box. This is so cool. I see a few items that I've already previously owned and that I absolutely enjoy. So let's open her up even more. A little tissue paper with their logo. This is how it looks inside. I don't want it to fall out. Oh my god, this is so funny. So this is their this is from Skin & Co, the face gommage. I just got this in BoxyCharm. It's a polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. So I just got a full size from BoxyCharm, so this is very neat. Now I have a travel size, but I'm definitely going to be saving this and probably using it for a future giveaway, because there's no need to open up two, you know. Oh my goodness, they sent me a deluxe travel size of the Il Makiage primer. It's their Hydra Veil, which I love that primer. It is so hydrating and it has a nice tacky base, which I enjoy. Oh my gosh, look at this adorable little container. It has a nice little seal, so I'm not gonna open it since I do own it. I actually seriously have it right here. This is the full size I received from Ipsy. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a jelly-like texture. That's personally why I like it. It feels weird going on your skin. It actually sets on your skin and it fills in your pores just feels so nice. And again, I personally like a slightly tacky base, so it actually does a really good job doing that. Then I got 2 items from John Masters Organic. This is a gardenium and grapefruit body wash, and this is the body milk. I've actually always wanted to try a body milk, so that's really cool. You can never go wrong with body washes, especially because the ones I received last month between my subscription boxes, they're pretty much out. This has a nice citrus scent, and these are like deluxe travel size options. This right here is from -417. It says time control firming radiant mud mask. So I haven't done a mud mask in a while, so this would be really interesting to try out. And let me read what it says. It says the dual action 2-in-1 exfoliating and nourishing mud mask is based on a unique blend of rich Dead Sea mask that deeply cleanses your skin, absorbs excess oils and all traces of impurities. So while your skin is gently exfoliated, your skin's dead cells are buffed away and your fresh skin is nourished. So that's really good. It helps unclog all the grimy stuff from your skin and pores, and you're good to, and it's hydrating, so that's great. And this is a sample, again, a deluxe sample size, so I might be able to get like 2 good uses out of this. Now this is a full-size item. This is from Belly Pierre. I've received items from them in the past from like other subscription boxes as well. This is their Pro Concealer Palette. So sadly, mine has like all kinds of weird residue inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but mine has all this little weird residue. It's pretty bad on this side. And no, this has to be the brand. Look at that. If you look closely, it's embedded in the material. So I'm gonna reach out to GlossyBox and let them know what's going on with this. I was actually excited to try out this product because I've seen others try it out, but there's all kinds of weird texture and whatnot. And again, I do enjoy these kind of color correctors. Sadly, I think mine's defective. So that's a shame. Otherwise, this would have been perfect because my favorite color correctors I'm pretty much out of. And what's sad is that's the only full-size item I did receive, and that was a $50 value, guys. That's insane. Anyways. But GlossyBox does guarantee that you'll get $80 in value in your boxes. Again, since the Bella Paris is the only one that's considered a full size, that's the only one I know that's basically $50. So, you guys, I'm gonna insert pictures of close-ups of what this looks like right here, because this is pretty gross. The more and more I look at it, there's fibers and hairs inside of it, and you guys saw I didn't tamper with it or anything. I seriously opened it in front of you guys. Oh, it's just so gross in my opinion. Again, I'm thankful GlossyBox sent me the box. I love all the other items that I did receive. I was really hopeful for this. When I saw it in a little pamphlet, I was pretty excited because I do like color correctors and creams in particular. But this is pretty gross, and it had a plastic shield on it. The fibers and stuff inside of this was from the factory, and that's just disgusting. you would have assumed that they would have had a little bit better quality control, especially that this is a $50 item. I don't know, it's pretty gross. Well, minus my defective products, what do you guys think of this situation? I have not had this type of situation in the past where a product has came to me defective, so this is new. I kind of feel like, you know, that investigative unboxing gal, the not so evil stepmom. Like, if I had the time and the patience like she does to, you know, to go in and look at these fibers, I'd probably gross myself out and never try stuff again. But all the other stuff that I did receive, they're perfectly fine. They're in good conditions. Again, this smells great. I'm just very thrown off that the one full-size item that I did receive is defective from the manufacturer, and I know this is not GlossyBox, and I'm definitely going to be reaching out to them and letting them know what's going on before they get bombarded with a bunch of emails from other consumers saying, hey, what's going on, because Bella Pierre sent them a really bad batch that should have been caught in quality control, you guys. So stay tuned. But anyways, I appreciate you guys joining me today in my unboxing of the January 2020 GlossyBox. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel if I forgot to mention that in the beginning, and leave a comment below on what do you guys think of this situation, because again, this is a new thing for me. I've never had this happen before. But anyways, thank you so very much, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.